Are you looking for natural ways to lighten your skin? Then you have come to the right place. Start now by subscribing to our channel and turn on the bell icon for more videos like this. All girls dream of flawless skin and a perfect skin tone. But our current lifestyles and exposure to environmental factors make it a dream that seems too far-fetched. Fret not. We have put together home remedies that can help you achieve the perfect skin tone and leave your skin looking healthy and nourished. Here are 7 natural ways to lighten your skin tone. 1. Turmeric. Curcumin is the major component of turmeric. This compound is effective in preventing the appearance of signs of aging, such as blemishes and spots. It also imparts a natural glow to your skin. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, honey, fresh yogurt. Prepare a face pack by mixing the ingredients mentioned above. Apply the face pack and leave it on until it dries. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Use this face pack once a week to get effective result. 2. Lemon. Vitamin C is one of the major components of lemon and is known to exhibit anti-pigmentary effects. This may help eliminate any spots or blemishes on your face and neck. How to use it? You will need ripe lemons, cotton pad. Squeeze the juice of ripe lemons into a bowl. Using a cotton pad, apply the lemon juice onto your face and neck. Leave it on your face for at least 15 minutes before washing it off. Do this 2 times a week. 3. Papaya. Papaya has been used as a remedy to lighten skin. Its extracts are known to increase the production of collagen in your skin. This, in turn, improves complexion and reduces the appearance of scars and blemishes. You will need 1 ripe papaya, 1 ripe lemon. How do you use it? Make a puree by blending the slices of papaya and add a few drops of lemon juice to it. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash off thoroughly. How often should you do this? You can repeat this 2 times a week. 4. Potato. Potato is rich in phytochemicals, such as potassium, sulfur, and chloride. It can help lighten scars and acne blemishes, thereby promoting clear skin and an even skin tone. You will need 2 to 3 tablespoons freshly extracted potato juice, lemon juice. Mix the potato and lemon juices well. Use a cotton pad to apply this mixture to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 10 minutes before washing it off. How often should you this? Apply this juice to your face 2 times a week. 5. Cucumber. Cucumber is a rich source of cucurbitacin D and 23,24-dehydrocucurbitacin D. These compounds can reduce melanin synthesis and possibly reverse the effects of pigmentation. You will need a fresh cucumber, freshly extracted aloe vera gel. Slice a cucumber and blend it. Prepare a fine paste by adding some aloe vera gel to it. Apply this paste to your face and neck. Leave the pack on for 15 to 20 minutes and wash off with plain water. Do this once a week for a better result. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt is very commonly used as a remedy to eliminate excessive pigmentation. It is rich in a bioactive compound that can effectively reduce dark spots and other signs of pigmentation. You will need 1/2 cup of fresh yogurt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of honey. Add the honey to 1/2 cup of yogurt. Apply this face pack to your neck and face. You must leave it on for about 20 minutes before rinsing it off thoroughly with water. Do this at least 2 times a week to see a visible change. 7. Aloe vera. Aloe vera contains aloin, a bioactive compound that has an inhibitory effect on melanin synthesis. 4. This may help lighten your skin tone and impart a natural radiance to it. You will need 1 tablespoon of fresh aloe vera gel, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. What you have to do: extract the gel from the aloe vera leaf. Add brown sugar to the gel and mix well. You can apply this to your face and neck. Rinse your face thoroughly with water. How often should you do this? Repeat 2 times a week to get a better result. Conduct a patch test on your skin before trying this remedy, as it can cause an allergic reaction. Using these tips and tricks diligently for a few weeks can not only lighten your skin tone but also rejuvenate your skin and make it smooth. Which of these remedies would you try? Why? Do let us know by leaving a comment below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to our channel.